So looking at the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, we are in a uh, relatively bearish environment. Um, However, we're looking like we're stalling on the current trend, which has been broken with that recent move to the upside, in what might be the prospects of a right hand shoulder forming for a move up at some point once this week's bottom is established. And there you have the head and shoulders, left hand shoulder, the head, right hand shoulder possibly under construction. But we're on the back side of that trend now. So that's the trend. It's been broken on that move. And you'd anticipate a deceleration of the current sell-off. And if the shoulder were to form, then we're looking in the realms of 89.50 support, which would be a 50% mean reversion. We've already seen that being tested over here. So just draw that box a bit lower. Okay. So we're in anticipation at this point of next week being a bullish candle. Now, something more near term, if we look at the hourly chart, we've had the correction. We've had a correction of the move higher, which we just looked at on the weekly chart. So this is the correction in play. And we talked about already a 50% mean reversion of that range. So we've come into there, or thereabouts. This area is a prior support area, judging by the market over here. So we may find support again. We have current hourly resistance to get through. We might see some more downside yet if this were to hold. We've got a 61.8 that's coming under pressure. But bears might start to turn up at this resistance area and leading to a deeper correction on the higher time frames. For a continuation to the downside, targeting 89.50 or thereabouts. And into the lows of that market back in June the 8th, 9th, thereabouts for a retest, clearing out the in the money longs and even beyond down to test 89 the figure,